My husband and I sometimes ask ourselves this simple question. If we were to lose everything, all our assets, bank accounts down to zero, no job, no income, would we be able to rebuild everything from zero and become a millionaire again? The answer is always yes, not a maybe, a resounding yes. So I ask myself, why am I so confident? It's not like it's easy to become a millionaire. It's actually really, really hard. I really feel most successful millionaires would say yes to my hypothetical question as well. I want to share with you 5 reasons I am so confident that if we lost everything, we would be able to regain it again. Reason number 1, the value of our skills and experience. I believe that many self-made millionaires attribute their success more to what they have learned rather than the amount of money they have accumulated. A person's most valuable asset is their knowledge. It's the only asset that never depreciates over time, regardless of how much of it you share with others. For example, if over the years you've learned effective strategies for hiring and managing people, and this knowledge has contributed to your increased profitability, giving away that knowledge doesn't diminish its value to yourself. Instead, it enhances your ability to excel regardless of how freely you share it. In essence, the strength of knowledge remains a fundamental asset in regaining financial stability after setbacks. By valuing continuous learning and applying acquired expertise, both you and I can overcome challenges and seize opportunities to rebuild wealth. Therefore, the confidence in achieving financial prosperity again is rooted in the understanding that knowledge is a resilient asset, capable of transcending monetary setbacks and paving the way for success. Reason number 2, having a goal-oriented mindset. Being goal-oriented would undoubtedly play a pivotal role in rebuilding wealth from scratch. By having a clear vision and aligning with specific goals, I can effectively chart a path forward, even in the face of adversity. This approach ensures that every decision I make is purposeful and directed towards achieving my objective. I am in this coaching program with Dan Martell. If you're a growing entrepreneur and haven't yet read his book, Buy Back Your Time, you should. Anyways, going back to what I was saying, I've learned the importance of daily non-negotiables, one of which involves reviewing my goals on a daily basis. This practice reinforces my commitment to my vision and keeps me focused on the actions necessary to progress towards it. By constantly reaffirming my goals, I stay motivated and accountable, ensuring that I remain on track even in amidst of challenges. Reflecting on my past experiences, I recognize that having a strong sense of direction has often been the catalyst for my success. When I'm clear about where I want to go and what I want to achieve, I'm better equipped to navigate obstacles and make decisions that align with my long-term objectives. Whether it's seizing opportunities or mitigating risk, being goal-oriented provides me with a framework for making informed choices and taking ownership of the outcomes. In essence, by remaining steadfast in my commitments to my visions and actively pursuing my goals, I can rebuild my wealth from zero. Through diligence, resilience, and unwavering focus, I can turn challenges into opportunities and slowly but surely progress towards financial success once again. Reason number 3, working hard. I know we all heard the saying, work smarter, not harder. In my experience, you should strive to work as hard and as smart as you can. Whenever you are in building mode, you should strive to work as hard as you can. One aspect of this involves dedicating long hours, a notion often exemplified by the idea of a 16-hour workday. While some may consider such commitment excessive, I found that investing significant time and effort in my endeavors has been crucial for my success. It's important to dispel the notion that working smarter is sufficient. While efficiency and strategic decision-making are in fact vital, they must be accompanied by the willingness to put in the hard work. Success seldom comes without sacrifice and dedication. In my personal experience, there have been moments where sheer perseverance and an unwavering effort were decisive in overcoming obstacles and achieving breakthroughs. Whether it's burning the midnight oil to meet deadlines or pushing through fatigue to seize opportunities, The readiness to work hard has consistently proven to be pivotal. Building this YouTube channel, for example, is a great example of this. Alongside managing my other businesses, I must devote a considerable amount of time and effort to creating content, scripting, filming, and engaging with the audience if I want to be successful. These tasks require an unwavering commitment and persistence, with tangible results often only appearing after a very long time of dedication and effort. The concept of working smarter shouldn't be misconstrued as a shortcut to avoid working as hard. Instead, it's about maximizing productivity and leveraging resources effectively to achieve optimal results. In essence, working smart complements working hard. It's a strategic approach that amplifies the impact of our efforts. By embracing both elements, putting in the necessary hours, and employing intelligent strategies, I firmly believe I can lay a robust groundwork for rebuilding wealth from scratch. Reason number 4, financial discipline, the millionaire's mindset. In exploring the concept of financial discipline, it's crucial to understand the mindset and behaviors that distinguish millionaires in managing their finances. This principle strongly resonates with the insight from Thomas and Williams' popular book, The Millionaire Next Door. In their influential book, the duo shed light on the habits and traits of everyday millionaires, emphasizing the paramount importance of financial discipline. They reveal that many millionaires lead modest lifestyles, prioritizing diligent saving and prudent investment over extravagant spending. This sentiment reflects the idea of preferring to be perceived as poor rather than rich, highlighting the belief that true wealth lies in quietly accumulating resources through disciplined financial practices. By living below their means, millionaires can save a significant portion of their income, directing it towards investments that result in long-term growth. Financial discipline extends beyond simply accumulating wealth. It includes the know-how for the protection and preservation of these acquired assets. Millionaires understand the importance of managing risk and avoiding unnecessary debt. For example, if we were to start over with the knowledge we now possess, we would reconsider the approach to our first major purchase, such as taking out a mortgage and buying a home. Instead of prioritizing home ownership, we would focus on acquiring cash flow generating assets. This shift in strategy aligns with the principle of prioritizing assets that contribute to financial growth and stability. Rather than tying up a significant portion of our capital in a home, which typically entails hefty upfront costs and ongoing expenses, we would prioritize investments that generate passive income and build wealth over time. By opting for cash flow generating assets such as rental properties, dividend paying stocks, or small businesses, we could create a steady stream of income that adds to our financial resilience. This income could then be reinvested to further expand our portfolio or be used to cover expenses, providing greater flexibility and security. Once our cash flow generating assets have reached a point where they produce sufficient income to cover our living expenses and then some, we could reassess our priorities regarding home ownership. At this stage, we would be in a stronger position to consider purchasing a home, knowing that our financial foundation is secure and that we can comfortably afford such a significant investment. Ultimately, the principle of financial discipline mirrors the wisdom imparted in The Millionaire Next Door and similar teachings. It underscores the significance of living within one's means, saving diligently, and making wise investment choices as a fundamental pillar of enduring financial prosperity. Embracing these principles enables individuals to lay a solid foundation for rebuilding wealth and achieving financial independence over time. Reason number 5, financial literacy. Financial literacy would play a crucial role in the journey to rebuild wealth. Drawing from my background as a vice president at a major investment bank, I've come to recognize the immense value that a strong understanding of financial principles brings to the table. As someone who has delved into the depths of financial concept, I understand firsthand how this knowledge can empower individuals to make informed decisions and navigate the financial landscape effectively. My expertise in finance would help me in my journey to rebuild wealth. It gives me the confidence to analyze financial data, assess risk, and identify opportunities for growth. One effective strategy I employ and would employ if I had to start from scratch is surrounding myself with like minded individuals who have achieved greater financial success. Engaging with and learning from these individuals not only exposes me to valuable insight and perspectives, but also inspires me to continually expand my financial acumen. In summary, financial literacy serves as a powerful tool in the process of rebuilding wealth. It equips us with the skills and knowledge needed to make sound financial decisions, seize opportunities, and ultimately achieve financial goals. There are no single formula that guarantees a person will become a millionaire. However, there are several common traits and habits that many millionaires tend to possess. So, whenever I ask myself, can I be just as successful if I were to lose everything? The answer is always a resounding yes.